Did you know about a pull a muscle, sprain a ligament, or a injury a tendon? Most of people confuse these three injuries. By the end of this video, you will know the difference between in just few minutes. Hello everyone, welcome to MedVision. In this video, we discuss about what is difference between a muscle injury, a ligament injury, or a tendon injury. So, what is a muscle? We all know that muscle is a soft tissue that contracts and relaxes to produce a movement. They are attached to bone by a tendon and made a muscle fiber that to generate force. So, the symptoms of muscle injury. The common symptoms are patient complaint of pain, swelling, weakness, and difficulty in moving. The common injury and the common term used as muscle injury is called muscle strain. So, what is ligaments? Ligaments are the taut bands of the tissues that connect bone to bone. These are the connection, bone to bone connection is called ligament. Their function, they stabilize the joints and control movements and have less flexibility than muscles. So the term used for ligament injury is called sprain, that meaning is ligament tear. The symptoms are same, but the symptoms may persist in joint because it joint bone to bone in joint. The patient symptoms are joint pain, swelling, instability during walking, and during weight bearing, and bruises are the common symptoms of ligament injury. So, what is tendon? We all know that the tendon are the strong bands of tissue that connect muscle to bone. That is very important. Ligament is a connection of bone to bone, and tendon is a connection of muscle to bone. They transfer the force of muscles to bone and help in movements. Tendons are less stretchy but more strong. Tendons are very strong. The common injury, the common term used for tendon injury is tendon tear or tendinitis. The symptoms are pain during movements, tenderness present, stiffness, and weakness. So these are the difference between what is muscles, ligament, and the tendons, and what are the common terms called after injury a specific point. So we all know that what is muscle, what is ligament, and what is tendon. So let's understand a comparison chart, differentiate between them. So structures in muscles are soft contractile tissue made of muscle fibers, but the ligaments are the taut fibers that connect tissue that connect bone to bone connection, and the tendons are the strong fibrous connection that connecting muscle to bone. The connection is muscle to bone, ligaments connection is bone to bone, and tendon connection is muscle to bone. And the main functions, the main function of muscle to produce movement by contracted. When muscle is contracted, movement is produced. But in ligaments, they stabilize the joint and prevent excessive movements during static or dynamic activity. But in tendon, it transmits force of muscle to bone to produce a movement. Elasticity, elasticity is very high in muscle, but a limited elasticity or last elasticity found in ligaments and tendons. Blood supply, muscles have a good blood supply and a good repair power, but the ligaments have poor and tendon also have a poor blood supply. Healing capacity relatively good of muscles but very poor in ligaments and tendons. Common injury in muscles, we talk in previous, and in muscles is called muscle strain, in ligament is ligament sprain, and in tendon is called tendinitis. The pain nature, the pain in muscle during contracting or during stretching, but in ligament injury the pain around the joint and instability feel. But in tendon, pain during movements, that is most common, the pain during movement and tenderness over the tendon. The examples of muscle pull is biceps, quadriceps, hamstring, or calf. These are the common muscles will lead to injury. But in ligaments, the common injury found in knee joints, that is ACL injury, PCL, MCL, LCL, and shoulder ligaments injury are most common. But in tendon, if we talk about a tendon injury, the Achilles tendon, the patellar tendon, and the rotator cuff tendons are most common tendons that have very prone to injury. So these are the comparisons about the muscles, ligaments, and the tendons. And at last, a beautiful key, that muscle move you and ligaments hold you together, and tendons connect the two. Always remember a simple rule: muscle moves, ligaments stabilize, and the tendon connect muscles to bone. Knowing the difference help you understand injuries and choose right treatment. If you found this video is helpful, like, share, and subscribe to MedVision for more easy and understand anatomy and other education videos. Thank you for watching MedVision.